We love our Waterlink SpinTouch that we test water with in our retail stores. They are very accurate and easy to use. We fill the disc with a water sample, being very careful not allow any air bubbles in the disc. Air bubbles can result in a bad test reading. You have to make sure the outside of the disc is clean and dried off before putting it in the SpinTouch. We are huge borate fans, so we use the discs that test for borates. We also have discs that test for phosphates that we will use if needed. We use a program that has all of the customer's pool information, such as pool size, is it a salt pool, is it plaster or fiberglass, and what type of chemicals the customer likes to use to manage their pool. We also like to use a Myron Pool Meter to test for total dissolved solids and salt level. These analog meters are extremely accurate. The entire test takes about 2 minutes. After the SpinTouch gives us the test results, we enter the total dissolved solids or salt test results from the Myron Meter, and the water temperature. Without these two readings the LSI cannot be calculated. Our program takes the test results and calculates what chemicals need to be added to the pool for proper water balance and sanitation. It then gives us a report that we can share with the customer. We discuss the results with the customer, and help them get the chemicals they need. We make sure we highlight anything that needs to be addressed. Our customers love it as much as we do.